I want to assure you so, by the special grace of God, come back to our offices, not just the executive arms, but also the legislative arm. And we also believe that that once relationship that we had then, where we all work together, where we all campaigned together, where we were all eating together, can't joke together, we'll still come back. There is no problem that is not solvable. What is important is your ability to have a forgiving spirit. I always say it doesn't matter what you think what is important is having a forgiving spirit. And even in a good book, your prayers are answered only when you have a problem. I always preach God. It's not about you, but a bigger interest. So I want you to relax, have no anger, no annoyance, whatever action anyone has taken, feeling unhappy. We have every reason, thank God Almighty. Thank Mr. President. Secondly, and there's no reason why there won't be peace between me and my owner. We will make the peace so that rivers